Hi and welcome to the Brisbane Home Show. You're on the Brisbane Spa Supercentre stand. We just thought we'd introduce our company and our stand here this year. We have a large range of spas, all out of the US. They're the Hot Spring Spa range, the world's #1 selling portable spa manufacturer. But really, what I wanted to go through this year is our exciting new swim spa range. This range here is, again, all out of the States and features this beautiful new fast lane swim system. Now the beauty with the swim system is it has 52 different settings. Now this allows any level of swimmer to use it. It is an airless swim system, so it has no air introduced to that current. It's just a beautiful, even current of water that comes towards you. Below that, we have our treadmill as well. The treadmill also features 52 different levels, so you can have it from a very slow walk right the way through to a 7 mile an hour training level. This particular unit has our rowing system set up as well, and also our full hydrotherapy spa end. So not only do you have the fitness level, but you've also got the spa. This system is designed to be in the home. It allows any person to use it. It's very easy to install. We just need a flat level surface, some power, and we fill it with the garden hose. It's managed like the pool, so we keep the water in there for up to 5 years. And yeah, on a all-natural system, we actually can sanitise the water. Hey guys, I'm throwing out a challenge. Anyone that wants to come down and jump in and try, you're more than welcome. I'm also welcoming anyone that would like to come and have a jog on the treadmill as well. So you don't have to be a swimmer. We like swimmers, but we also like joggers.